At Vivion, we understand the evolving needs of supplement manufacturers. That's why we offer high-quality vegetarian capsules, an ideal choice for brands focused on clean label, plant-based, and organic products. Unlike gelatin capsules, our vegetarian capsules contain no animal byproducts, gluten, wheat, or gelatin. They're crafted exclusively from plant-based materials such as Pullulan, a naturally fermented polymer derived from tapioca starch and water, or HPMC Hydroxypropyl Methylcellulose, a cellulose-based polymer derived from sustainably sourced plants. This means they're not only 100% natural and tasteless, but also kosher and halal certified, making them suitable for a broad range of dietary and cultural needs. Manufactured under GMP-compliant conditions, these capsules are a top choice for producing certified organic formulations. Whether you're catering to vegans, vegetarians, or simply consumers seeking transparency and purity, Vivion's vegetarian capsules deliver. Vegetarian capsules are known for their extended shelf life, but proper storage conditions, low humidity, and stable temperatures are still essential to maintain capsule integrity. Choosing vegetarian capsules can enhance the value of your product, appealing to the growing number of consumers seeking natural or organic supplements. Looking for the right capsule size? Our team is here to help you select the best fit for your formulation. You'll also find our full capsule size chart and guide at vivion.com. Contact us for a quote today. Call us or submit a form and discover how we can make a difference in your everyday applications. Vivion, ingredient solutions for everyday applications.